Hello and welcome to another lesson with Cloud Solutions Tech. In this video, you'll be learning a lot about Maven. Maybe probably you have not heard about Maven before, right? Maven is a powerful tool that allows you to build Java applications. Right here is the Maven official website. So Maven works pretty good with Jenkins. So these two technologies, Maven and Jenkins, actually work pretty well together. And you are going to learn how to create an entire project, how to build it, and how to do testing and so on. So I want you to see this as your first experience with continuous integration before we get into the actual project that we're going to be working on. So what's the goal of this, right? The goal is, for example, right, we have a team of developers and other developers, let's say maybe they are working on the Git repository and they all are actually uploading, new changes. But for example, every time that a developer pushes a specific branch, you want to trigger a Jenkins job that is actually, going to download the new code and is going to build a new jar. So it's going to execute a unit test on that jar to validate the functionality. And then finally, you will now deploy it, somewhere else. So that's just a little about continuous integration using Maven, So that's basically, what we are going to be learning, with Maven, how to integrate Jenkins, Git, and Maven in a, very simple, small, real-world environment. So for this, we will need to install Maven Plugin. So if you don't know how to install Maven Plugin or you have not installed the plugin before, let's get after it. So we'll go to our Jenkins dashboard. In our Jenkins dashboard, we'll go to Manage Jenkins and then we'll go to Plugins. So under Plugins, okay, right now I have like about 32 plugins that need to be updated. We'll come back to that later. So I'm under Available Plugins. So anytime you want to install a new plugin, you will always come to Available Plugins. So under Available Plugins, you type Maven. So you see, you have Maven integration right here. So this is the plugin that we need to install to be able to use Maven. So just click on this plugin, Maven integration, and then click on install plugin. That is all you need to do. So that is how to install Maven plugin on Jenkins. So we're going to wait for it to finish loading and then we'll restart our Jenkins and then we'll have our Maven ready to use. So congratulations, you have installed your first Maven plugin on Jenkins. I'll just click on restart when installation is complete and no job is running. I'll pause the video now and continue when the restart is complete. Alright, so our installation is finished and we can go ahead and validate now that we have the Maven plugin. So still under Manage Jenkins, we come to Plugins, we come to Installed Plugins, and we go to Maven. Right there, you can see that we have installed Maven. So that is how to install the Maven plugin. So if you have not installed Maven plugin before, that is a simple example on how to install Maven. That will be it for this lesson. Join me in the next video as we continue in the Jenkins Maven tutorial.